Hello guys, in this video we will create a series object from a list, numpy array and a dictionary. Okay, let's import the necessary libraries. NumPy np import pandas as pd. Okay, first we will create a series from list. For that we need to declare a list. A is equal to a, b, c, d and e. And after that we will create a series object from the list. So let's say that is series 1 equal to pd dot series. So we need to pass the list over here. So what parameters this series takes? In order to know that, click on shift double tap, so you get to know all the parameters which this accepts. So it accepts the data, index, data type. See the data it accepts is a array like or a dictionary one, so we are passing a list. Okay, well, let's check this one, series 1. Now this is a series object because look, these are the values a b c d e which we have got from the list, and this is the index. By default it is indexed from 0 to n. So if you see here, so the will default to range index 0 1 2 3, and if not provided, if we did not provided the index, it will default index will be 0 to n. That's what happened. Okay, let's create a list from a numpy array now. Series from numpy array. B is equal to np dot. Let's use a range function 0 to 10. Sorry, 10. And series 2 object pd dot series b. You need to pass the numpy array. A range. Okay, guys, spell it wrong. range. Now let's check the series 2 object. If you see, these are the values and this is the default. Even here we did not pass any index, so it is default, it has the default index. Now when we create a dictionary we will be passing the index. Okay, let's create a series from dictionary, right? Okay, let's create a dictionary first of all. Say dic, and okay, a, let's give it value 1, b, let's give it 2, and c value 3. So these are the key value pairs. Okay, and we'll create another series object, series 3 equal to pd dot series. Now we will pass the dictionary. Here the keys will be taken as the index and the values are the values of the series object, right? Let's check them. If you now see, the index are the key values, a b c are the keys of this dictionary, and the values are the values themselves for this series object. Okay, now okay, this is all for this question. We have created a series object from a list, numpy array and a dictionary. That's it. Thank you.